Thinking about buying a juicer? Before you spend your money, here's what you need to know. First, choose the right type of juicer. There are two main kinds, centrifugal and masticating. Centrifugal juicers are faster and cheaper, but they're noisy and not great for leafy greens. Masticating juicers, also called cold press, are slower but extract more juice and preserve more nutrients. Next, think about cleaning. Some juicers have many parts that are hard to wash. If you're not up for cleaning every time, look for a juicer with dishwasher-safe parts and a simple design. Juice quality matters too. Masticating juicers produce less foam and longer-lasting juice, while centrifugal ones oxidize faster, meaning your juice needs to be consumed right away. Also, check the chute size. A wide chute saves prep time because you don't have to chop fruits and veggies into tiny pieces. And finally, motor power and durability. A more powerful motor means better performance and less chance of clogging, especially with harder fruits like carrots or beets. Choosing the right juicer can make healthy living easier and more enjoyable. Check out the video description for top-rated options and the best deals.